Hello and welcome for a new session, Bitcoin analysis from Borsa Club. Um, Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin in time frame 4 hours only. So till this moment, we don't see any potential for Bitcoin to go higher for many reasons. First of all, on 20th of September, like 2 months ago, we uh, publish new analysis for Bitcoin with the name Will Bitcoin Stand for the Next Storm? And from there, we explain that we can see Bitcoin could hit this trend line, and from there it will move lower again. And this is the Bitcoin again. This is the live chart from Coinbase. First of all, we can see that there is head and shoulders pattern from like this is left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the second shoulder. And Bitcoin stands exactly, you can say, like 5th of September till today. It's moving only on the sideway. On this sideway, you can see that move from higher to lower, it's almost $700 only. But if we take another perspective, if you see from this, like this is the RSI, from this point to this point, it's oversold, like from oversold to overbought. See how much it just moved. From here to here, it just moved $274. While if you compare the same range from here to here, you can see it's almost $2,500. So from this, you can see that Bitcoin is going narrow and narrow again, trying to determine what is the next step for Bitcoin. But what we can see till this moment that this trend line is still very strong. So I don't think that Bitcoin will break above this one. This is one. Two, if we go to the history of Bitcoin and you can compare exact dates, because 90% of the traders are waiting November, um, and they are saying, okay, last year November, Bitcoin start to moving to rally, and so this year will be the same or not. So if you compare what happened last year, this is the date where the Bitcoin raised. This is 8th of November, where is 4th of, okay, this is 4th of November, and now we are here on 4th of November. So I'm comparing the same exact date. So first of all, Bitcoin moved a little bit higher, then it dropped almost 30%. After that, we saw the rally toward the um, new high, which is almost $20,000. So if this will happen exact the same. So we are expecting 30% to drop of the Bitcoin with the next couples of days. So from here, 30%, which is almost like here, let's say, okay. So same price now, which is like $4,400. And this one, first of all, will be as we said, equal leg from here to here, comparing from this to this, so it will be equal leg. And 1 2, the second target will be this one. So if we say that it will break from here, so we think 70% of the head and shoulders target will be almost $4,400. um, Now if we are talking about Elliott wave, for me actually, I can see that the Bitcoin at this moment, this is W, and here it be X, and now he's like Bitcoin is moving in the C, or sorry, in Y. So this is A, this is B, and now in the C, we are saying A, B, and we are at the beginning, like the first wave of the last correction leg for the Bitcoin. So I'm still determined that this Bitcoin should move lower, should break below this this price, which is 5,736 in Coinbase. But what if we failed with this analysis? What we have to say, where the beginning of the rally should, or where the safest point to buy Bitcoin. To me, actually, I prefer only to buy by breaking this high, which is like $7,400. From here, I will enter buy position or long position by retesting this area, because we will say that, all right, from here to here, it's X uh, wave, and we can say that, all right, now Bitcoin is is on the way to create a new high. But since it's still below this $7,400, still also below this trend line, I don't recommend anyone to buy Bitcoin. Maybe you can like do some scalping between this range. Like, if let's make it bigger so we can see it much better. Okay, now it's right. So if you want to do scalping, so you can sell and buy from between these 2 points. This is 1 point and this is 2 points. So from here and there, you can just buy and sell till you can see one of these points break out. So if break below this one, so it's for sure going lower. If it's breaking from here, it will breaking this point, so it will move to this point, $7,400, and from there I think it will drop again, but I don't believe that it will reach this area. Persons they are going like to invest, to buy for long time, I don't recommend to buy Bitcoin right now. Just wait, either by breaking above this area, or the first point to buy will be $4,400. This is all. Next video, I hope Bitcoin will give a very good indicators for sell or to buy. And I hope you can subscribe. There is a button below. Just click on it and subscribe, share it, and we will start produce English videos for Bitcoin and all others analysis we will do. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.